In this video, I'll show you how to make money from home using ChatGPT and SurfShark. Let's get started. This info is so good, it could be its own course. And guess what? It's free for you, so hit the like button and subscribe. First off, you don't need to be a tech genius or spend your whole day on this. Just keep watching till the end, and you'll see how cool this can be. Step 1, go to Google and type SurfShark Affiliate Program. Sign up by filling in your info. If you have a website or social media, use that. If you're not accepted, don't sweat it. Find another similar program. Step 2, head over to ChatGPT. Ask it to write a short TikTok script about why SurfShark is awesome. Save these scripts in a Word doc or Google Sheet for later use. Step 3, time to make a TikTok account. Pick a name that's related to SurfShark or online safety. Step 4, now you've got two options. First is Pictory.ai. This website turns your text into a video with pictures. Paste in your script and you get a short video. Make sure the pictures match your topic. You can try it for free without needing a credit card. Second option, Colossian. This one creates a video with a computer-made person talking. I really like this one. It's gotten me a lot of views. That's it. You can try both video making tools for free. Pick the one you like and start making those videos. Step 4 is the big one. By now you've joined SurfShark's program to earn money when people buy stuff through your link. You've got scripts from ChatGPT and you've made videos with Pictory or Colossian, but don't rush to post those videos with your affiliate link just yet. That's where people mess up. Here's how to beat the competition. You need a real online business that collects email addresses and sends follow-up emails automatically. This helps you promote more offers to people who are interested. Head over to endeavor.com. Don't worry. All the steps are listed below and there's a free 30-day trial. I'll also teach you everything in detail. Once you sign up, you can make a page that collects people's emails. Now you can email them as much as you want until they choose to stop getting emails. Cool part? You get to build a relationship with these folks. You can offer them stuff that solves their problems. Once they sign up, send them to your SurfShark affiliate link. Some might buy right away, but most people need a little more time to trust you. That's why follow-up emails are key. Usually it takes about 7 times for someone to see something before they buy it. So make sure your online business works like a well-oiled machine. Gather day and night, go ahead and post your videos. You're now set to make money online. Step 5, before putting your videos on TikTok, here's a tip to get more views. Add subtitles. A lot of people watch videos without sound. Subtitles can help grab their attention quickly. I use an app called Captions app on my iPhone to add subtitles easily. If you're an Android user, you can try CapCut. Step 6. Now go to a website called Repurpose.io. There's a free 30-day trial link in the description. This site lets you post your TikTok videos to other social media automatically. For example, you can set it up to send your videos from TikTok to Pinterest. This means your video can show up on many platforms, not just one. Step 7, time to post. Log into TikTok, hit the plus button, and upload your video. Quick tips. Add a headline text to your video, but make it last only the first 3 seconds. It helps to keep people watching. Add background music, but keep it really low so people can hear what you're saying. Hit the enhance button to boost video quality. Next, write a short description and maybe some hashtags, then hit post. In less than 2 hours, your video will also show up on other platforms you set up. If done right, you can get from 1,000 views to even millions. Imagine how many people can see what you're offering, which means more chances to make money. If you're still watching, hit that subscribe and like button. Any questions? Leave a comment below. Our whole point is to help you improve your money situation. If you haven't tried out the tools we talked about, don't just sit there. Be active, not just a watcher. Check out our other videos to get even better at this. And remember, use these tips for good things. See you in the next video. Bye for now.